Most traders don't fail because they don't know the strategy. They fail because they keep repeating the same mistakes again and again. Today, I'll be sharing with you the three biggest mistakes traders make and how you can avoid them to become profitable. So, if you're serious about becoming profitable, stay till the end because mistake number three is a real account killer. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cherry Trades, and as I mentioned before on a previous video, on this channel we break down trading concepts, strategies, and psychology so you can trade smarter, not harder. So let's get straight into our topic. Mistake number one, over leveraging. Leverage is a double-edged sword. It can amplify your profits, but it can also blow your account in just one bad trade. Many traders risk way too much of their account on a single setup, which is a very bad mistake. Often the beginners make these mistakes. Remember, even professional traders rarely risk more than 1-2% per trade. And the solution for this mistake is always calculate your position size based on your stop loss and stick to your risk management plan. Don't let greed control your lot size. Mistake number two, trading without a plan, which is a major mistake, keeping you unprofitable. Jumping into trades based on emotions or random signals is gambling, not trading. A trading plan is your roadmap. It tells you when to enter, when to exit, and how much to risk. Without it, you will keep making impulsive decisions and chasing losses. So before you click buy or sell, ask yourself, do I have a valid setup that fits my trading plan? A trading plan is very important if you want to become a professional in financial markets. Mistake number three, which is ignoring trading psychology. Trading psychology is the most important part of day trading. This can be the silent killer. No matter what, but if fear and greed run your trades, you will fail even you have the best strategy. Revenge trading after a loss, closing trades too early out of fear, or holding losing trades in hope. These things destroy accounts. The fix for this is train your mindset just like you train your strategy. Journaling your trades, meditating, or simply walking away from the screen after a loss can save you more money than any indicator on your chart. So these were the three major mistakes that keep many of the traders from becoming profitable. So for the recap, avoid over leveraging, always stick to the trading plan and control your psychology. Master these and you're already ahead of 90% of retail traders out there. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more breakdowns, and comment below which is mistake you have struggled with the most. Let's learn and grow together. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I will see you in the next video.